Hello everybody, my name is Andrew Roberts from the Great Property Meet, and I keep getting asked how to apply for a coronavirus business bounce back loan. So I thought I'd do a quick video to share with you the steps. Now firstly, let's have a look at who the loan is aimed for. This is a loan scheme. It's designed to help small to medium-sized businesses affected by coronavirus, COVID-19. To apply for the loans, they can be up to £50,000. So when is this going to go live? It was an announcement 2 days ago by Rishi Sunak, the chancellor of the Exchequer. It will go live on the 4th of May 2020 at 9 a.m. The Bounce Back Loan Scheme, as it's been termed, is designed to help small and medium-sized businesses to borrow between £2,000 and £50,000. It is subject to a 25% of turnover maximum. So if your turnover is 100,000, the maximum you could borrow would be 25,000. The government will give a guarantee of 100% of the loan value, and there won't be any interest or fees to pay in the first 12 months. So there are no PGs, there's nothing from the information that has been released to date for you. So how long will the loan run for? Well, the loan term will be up to 6 years. No repayments will be due during the first 12 months. Will there be application fees? The government have said they will pay any application fees, so this will cost you nothing to apply for. What will the rate of interest be? Well, for the remaining period of the loan, years 2 to 6, they haven't confirmed what the rate of interest will be. It will be set by the lender. Now, you can bet, based on my experience working in a lender, there will be a tier of interest rates depending on your credit risk. And I would expect that range to range from between 2% up to 8%, depending on the lender and how they perceive you as a credit risk. So who is going to be eligible to apply, I hear you cry? Well, you can apply for the loan if you're a business. So a business is a limited company, limited liability partnership, a partnership under the 1890 Partnership Act, or a sole trader. All of those are businesses. This will be a self-certification process. 2 sides of A4 to complete as an application form is what is being communicated at the moment. So it's simple to complete. It will be audited retrospectively against the information that you provide on the application scheme. But what you need to look at really is, are you a business? What is your turnover? And I will produce some more videos with criteria in. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll see the videos pop up in your feed. I don't get any of your personal details because it's on YouTube, and that will help you. Now, there are some other criterion. You must be a UK-based business. You must be able to say that you have been negatively affected by coronavirus. So if you're a property investor, an example could be your tenants ask for a payment deferral of their rent. Not a holiday, a deferral. That has impacted your cash flow. Therefore, that is a bona fide reason for your business being negatively affected by coronavirus. And your business must not have been in any financial difficulty on the 31st of December 2019. So who cannot apply then? Well, there are a few exceptions to this. Banks cannot apply. Be a bit ironic really, wouldn't it? Insurers can't apply. Public sector bodies can't apply. State-funded primary schools and secondary schools can't apply. So private schools could apply, as an example. You also can't apply if you are claiming or claimed a coronavirus interruption loan scheme loan. So the Coronavirus Business Interruption Loan Scheme, CBILS. The reason you can't apply is you can have one loan or the other. So what they've done is said, if you've already applied for a CBILS loan and you feel that this will be a better loan facility for you, then you can apply to transfer from a CBILS loan to a bounce back loan scheme loan. So this is designed to kickstart business, and it is effectively a Kickstarter loan. You can arrange this with your lender to switch from a CBILS loan to a BBL loan, a business bounce back loan, up until the 4th of November 2020. So you don't have to decide right now. More information will come out that I will help you with making that decision. So how do you apply? Well, the Bounce Back Loan Scheme will launch on the 4th of May 2020 at 9 a.m. and it will be through one of the lenders listed on the British-business-bank.co.uk website. If you see the page that says coronavirus, there's a great big button there, Coronavirus Business Interruption Scheme. It'll be the same lenders who are offering this. So why is it being launched, and why on the 4th of May? Well, it is my prediction, just a prediction mind, that we will imminently have the coronavirus lockdown lifted. When that lockdown lifts, what will happen is the economy needs to get going. Now, the economy at the moment is fairly flatlining. Lots of businesses have stopped trading. So in order to stimulate the economy, get businesses going, get businesses excited, get them investing in assets, get them investing in people, and start trading with each other, they are going to use this money to stimulate the economy. So making the announcement now, getting the funds released into your account within 24 hours of the application will encourage businesses to go, what am I going to invest that on? What am I going to spend it on? So who is funding this then? Because this sounds like a lot of money when you look at SME businesses, and there's a few 100,000 of them here in the UK that would qualify. Well, the banks are funding it from their reserves, and they are being given a guarantee by the government, a 100% guarantee that if the bank should lose £1 on this, they will be repaid that £1 from the government. If they lose £50,000, they will be repaid £50,000 by the government if there is a default. So will this affect taxes? Will taxes go up as a result? No, because the government are not putting money into this. They're making the banks put the money in. It may affect future lending, as the banks will have less money on their balance sheets and less reserves because they've lent it out on a business bounce back loan. A question I keep getting asked following some of the social media posts I've put out there is, I'm a property investor. Will I qualify? Well, so far, based on all the information I have read and the criteria I've seen, yes, you will qualify because you're a business. You're not a public body, you're not a school, and you're not a bank or an insurer. Therefore, you qualify. Can I use this deposit to make a new property purchase? Is another question I keep getting asked. Well, the answer to that is quite simply, yes. However, there is always a however, isn't there? Banks are not daft. I used to work for a bank, and I see the debate from both sides of the equation. What they're likely to do is say, yes, you can have £100,000 for this building as a mortgage. But as you're putting £50,000 in from a business bounce back loan, that's not equity going in. Therefore, we will only lend you £50,000. Go find the equity to put into this deal. So they are likely to scale back the amount of money they lend to you if you attempt to use it as deposit money. So use it as refurbishment money or something else for your business. That's all for now. I will be doing some update videos, so if this has been helpful, please put a comment below. Tell me your questions and I'll endeavour to answer them. Also, if you want updates as more information is being released, I will keep doing update videos and look forward to helping you through these very difficult times. Please stay at home. Please stay safe.